YouTube and welcome to this new episode of Tech Pills Discuss. Today's first topic is right to commercialize Linux? Recently, Daniel Forè, the founder of Elementary OS, wrote on his Google Plus profile about the possible selling of Elementary OS. His idea is, if Windows costs $130, OS X costs $20, then why can't Elementary OS cost just $10? Well, I am usually the first to encourage donations to open source projects, but in this case it is quite different. One big example that can come to your mind if you think about commercialized Linux is Red Hat Linux, and that's actually different. I'm going now to quote what Wikipedia says about Red Hat. Red Hat partially operates on a professional open source business model based on open code development within a community, professional quality assurance, and subscription-based customer support. They produce open source code so more programmers can make further adaptations and improvements. Red Hat sells subscriptions for that support, training, and integration services that help customers in using open source software. Customers pay one set price for unlimited access to services such as Red Hat Network and up to 24/7 support. Okay, if you don't know already, Red Hat isn't supposed to be used as a domestic Linux distribution. If you want to use the Red Hat core and you are not a company, you are not an enterprise, then you just can use Fedora, that is about the same operating system but completely free. Now, I think it is ethically right to ask for money if you offer something more than the OS, like Red Hat does. But when we talk about Elementary OS, they are just offering the OS that, moreover, is based on Ubuntu, that is completely free. So I think that they should try to raise money in some different way, like Cloud Drive could be an example, like Ubuntu One. I'm not saying that the work that has been done on Elementary OS is insignificant. I appreciate every kind of open source developing, but in this case, I just think they have to raise money in some other way. The second and final topic I want to discuss today is about mobile devices in general. In this last year, we have seen mobile devices getting faster and faster. It seems like yesterday that the Samsung Galaxy S2 came out with its amazing dual-core processor. And now we have a quad-core Snapdragon 800 that is probably more powerful than my PC's processor. It is just ridiculous to see how much power there is in a little device that fits our pocket. So one question has come to my mind. What is this power supposed to be used for? Okay, the question itself is not difficult after all, but I want to get to the answer gradually. So, many people, except games, they don't use all the potential their devices have. They just browse, chat, and go and use social networks. The camera maybe is one of the most powerful use they can make of the phone. So what is this power needed for? At the same time, people is getting farther from PCs. Well, now I'm not saying that PCs will disappear in favor of smartphones and tablets, but they will at least evolve. Except professionists that use the PC. Many people just use the PC for browsing and using social networks. So I think there will be an evolution in the common domestic PC. We are already seeing what's happening with some Asus devices, like the Transformer Pad and the Pad Phone. But it's not that close to the point as Ubuntu is. With the Ubuntu Edge project, Ubuntu tried to make one device to rule them all, and this is the actual goal of Ubuntu Touch. So when you link an Ubuntu Touch device to an external display, you can use the full Ubuntu desktop interface and everything connected to it on a powerful device as your phone is or will be. This way you can always carry your PC with you and all your files with you. so you can just browse them on the go and do whatever you want with them. So the device powerfulness serves the purpose of a future use as a PC, and I think this future is not that far after all. Okay guys, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Press the like button if you did, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you want more of this. Thanks for watching, and see you next week with a new episode of Tech Pills Discuss.